Hello everyone! Welcome to our first vlog, and this is our main door transformation. Let's witness how we turned our old door into this beautiful main door of ours. Okay, so ito pala yung before look ng aming door. Napakaluma na niya. So, pumili lang ako ng wallpaper from Shopee. It is just 109 pesos each. And I bought two para to make sure it is enough to cover the door. Okay, let's do it. Alright, and this is now the final look of our main door. Tingnan nyo how it turned from napakalumang door and ngayon naging sosyala na siya. Tingnan. That would be all for now. Bye-bye!